I want to talk to you a little bit about high efficiency milling, and I still see this today a lot, where people will be slot milling, for instance, and using the bottom of an end mill when all they need to do is rotate it on the side and they can probably go 10 times faster. I had taken a shop that was making some parts that were getting 70 parts a day, and I got them to running 70 parts a shift just by changing the way they were machining it, and they were actually making better parts because high efficiency machining, especially when you're cutting on the side, you generate very little stress in the material. And when you're plowing like this, you're generating a tremendous amount of heat, putting stress into the part.